What's up, guys?
What's up, guys?
So, we're about to do the Sprite challenge.
We've been wanting to do this challenge for a little while, a very good long time. But,
So, I guess you gotta drink it, all of it before you burp, right?
I think so.
Yeah. So,
We got a small can. We didn't get no big old can. We got small cans.
and it's cold, so you're gonna suck.
So, do you have to drink it fast? That's what I'm saying. You gotta drink it fast or slow?
I don't know. Just drink it faster.
All right. Doubles up.
Can't burp though until you finish it.
Okay.
All right. I gotta hold it in or something? Let's go.
I'm sipping.
That bit's crispy. How am I feel the burp?
But not burp.
It's right there. One more time.
I'm not.
One more time.
I hate Sprite.
It's almost there. Damn. Shit harder than it looks.
This is harder.
Done. Done. God damn. That hurt. I'm done, guys. She can't handle it.
Oh, shit. All right. I'm almost done. Wait, turn it out. I'm almost done. Done.
Got a burp?
It's in my belly. It hurts.
What happened?
You hit it.
No, I didn't.
That's
I never hit it.
the gas is in my stomach and it hurts.
You better yank it up.
How you get it out?
Swallow that.
It's gonna come on my butt.
Ew. There you go. Don't poo poo on me.
Hold on. I had a little more gas still in there.
The fuck was that? Let me help you. Want you in the gut.
Alright. That hurts. Never again. I'm tearing up.
Well, guys, I guess
I guess we succeeded, but shit, I still got more gas.
that's crazy.
That was hard. Alright, guys, I'm done.
Oh yeah. What's the next challenge?
Don't know. We'll see y'all later.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye, call again.